Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the game, pause and go straight to settings, then display. Turn subtitles on. This is the single, immediate action that shows dialogue text. Once done, make sure the subtitle language matches your audio language so lines align. You want readable text, so also check caption timing if available. Some versions let you enable cutscene captions separately. If you're on PC or console, apply changes and keep the game running while you move to customization next. Now you customize so subtitles stay readable during action. Go to accessibility and adjust subtitle size, color, and background opacity. Larger fonts and a solid background reduce loss during bright or busy scenes. You can change contrast and outline to improve legibility against landscapes. Make incremental tweaks, test in a cutscene or noisy gunfight, then refine. On PC, if in-game options feel limited, use controller or keyboard to reopen menu after each change. Finish by testing. Play a short mission or cutscene and watch how captions behave. If everything looks good, save and restart the game so changes persist. If subtitles do not appear, check that the game is fully updated and verify game files through your platform. Corrupted settings can block captions. As a key troubleshooting tip, restore default settings or delete the local settings file to force a fresh configuration. Then re-enable subtitles and reapply your custom size and background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.